This is a 2005 Audi S4. It features a 4.2-liter 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include the Premium Package, a locking differential, a sport suspension, heated front seats, satellite radio, heated washer fluid, 18-inch forged alloy wheels, and xenon headlights. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, full power accessories, performance tires, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, a toolkit, front and rear floor mats, electronic stability control, a rear window defroster, and this vehicle has fewer than 66,000 miles on the odometer. Not to mention that this Audi qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.